How to leave a Signal group. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are using Signal and want to leave a group chat, whether you no longer need the conversation or simply want fewer notifications, you can leave the Signal group in just a few taps. Firstly, open up the Signal application on your Android or iOS and make sure that you're logged in. Tap open a group conversation you want to leave. Now tap on the group's name at the top of the screen to open the group settings. Scroll down at the bottom of the page and look for the Leave Group button. If you are a group administrator, you may want to assign another member as an admin before leaving, so the group can continue to be managed smoothly. After tapping on Leave Group, click the Leave button in the pop-up to confirm, and you have successfully left the group. So that is how it's done. If you ever want to join again, another group member or administrator can invite you back. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.